How to sync CapCut edits with music beats. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync videos or photos perfectly to the beat of a song. So here I have already added some images to the timeline. I'll also drag and drop the music track I'm using straight into the timeline. The first method is completely manual. You listen to the music closely and place markers wherever the beat changes. Start by selecting the music track, then click on the small marker icon to place beat indicators at the transition points, the end of one clip and start of another. Once your markers are in place, drag each photo or video clip to line up with a marker. The clip will snap right into position. Now play it back to check if everything syncs properly. Looks good. Let's zoom in and repeat the process for the rest of the timeline. This method gives you full control and can produce great results, but it can also be time consuming. You can jump into method 2. First, remove all the existing markers from the timeline. Then select the song and click on the marker icon labeled AI. You'll see options like Beat 1 and Beat 2. Let's start with Beat 1. Once selected, the AI will automatically analyze the music and generate beat markers for you. Now drag your clips and line them up with the new markers. Don't forget, you can press the W key to quickly delete unwanted clips. Be sure auto snap is turned on. When it is on, your clips will lock right into the marker points. No guessing or no fine-tuning required. If it's off, syncing becomes way harder. Also feel free to experiment with Beat 2 as well. It might match the vibe better depending on the song. And if you feel like the AI missed a beat or two, you can always add your own custom markers. And that's it. This is how you can easily sync your visuals to the rhythm of your soundtrack. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.